In today's video, I'm going to teach you the fastest Hootsuite demo ever on how to manage your social media efficiently. Social media management can seem overwhelming, but with Hootsuite, it becomes a streamlined, simple process. Let's dive into how you can make the best use of Hootsuite to manage your social media presence. First, start by heading over to the My Profile section, and from there navigate to Social Accounts and Teams. This is where you'll connect all your social platforms to Hootsuite. Next, you'll want to click on plus add a social network. This step is straightforward but vital, as it enables all your posts to be managed from one place. You will see a list of social media networks: Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and others. Choose the ones you wish to manage through Hootsuite. Once you've selected your desired platforms, authorize access, which allows Hootsuite to interact with your accounts seamlessly. Once you've set up your accounts, proceed to the Create menu and click on Post. This is your starting point for crafting new messages for your audience. Select the social profiles you want to post to. It's crucial to make sure you've chosen the correct profiles to ensure your content reaches the right audience. Now let's get creative. Write your caption, add any media like images or videos, and insert links into your post. Crafting an engaging message is key, as this is what will draw your audience in and encourage interaction. After your content is ready, you can either choose to schedule for later or post now. Scheduling is a fantastic tool to have your content distributed at optimal times for your audience, while post now delivers it immediately. To further streamline your workflow, head to the Streams tab. Here you can add various streams like mentions, inbox, scheduled, and my posts. These columns give you a real-time overview of what's happening across your networks. Engage directly from these streams by liking, replying, or retweeting, all without leaving Hootsuite. This feature keeps you responsive and connected with your audience swiftly. For deeper insights, move to the Analytics section. This gives you the power to understand your performance with pre-built reports such as post performance and audience growth. These insights are crucial for refining your strategy and improving engagement. You can even export or schedule these reports to be shared with your team, ensuring everyone stays informed and on the same page. And there you have it, a quick yet comprehensive guide to managing social media using Hootsuite. By following these steps, you'll be able to engage more efficiently with your audience, post content more strategically, and ultimately enhance your social media presence. Thank you for watching, and happy social media managing.